Oh, NQ? Yeah, because I noticed YM would have been YM buys was a loss. Yeah. Anyways, good morning, guys. Good morning, YouTube. How you guys doing? How was the weekend? Hope everyone's safe. Hope everyone is safe and doing well. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow I could pass this that Lucid account. So yeah. All right. Okay, let's do some markups here, huh? Let's do some markups here. Let's do some markups here. Okay, I was just watching gold. Gold is not a bad trading idea. Gold sells beneath here, sells beneath here. Guess I could finish market up. So basically, if you get a closure around this zone here, this support here, for um, for gold, you have potential sales here to this zone, right? So you have like 200 shit. Wait, is that? Yeah, that's 200. Yeah, so that's like 200 point move down here. It looked good on the five, like breaking here, first closure here. Could get it to continue down, possibly. But yeah, that's gold there for you. Like buys above 54.31, sells beneath 53.89, and also 53.59. So a lot of opportunities here on gold potentially. Let's go over to Nasdaq. Okay. Yo yo, what's up, man? Yeah, so for Nas, um, we have a very nice, like Nas is very nice today, right? So we're looking at um, this is our 30-minute high here, and this is our 30-minute low. Now we are already closed beneath the support to continue bearish. So this the potential move here for NQ is really good for sales. It's really good. Their target is down here. Break out the low. We're looking at 100 points. All right, so potentially 4 hour. All right, on the break of the low. So yeah, for buys, well, I mean, if this 30 closes back in the range, you could take the buy on the break of the high, but yeah, possibly could take it. But if it feels like all the way up, then no, would not take it. Um, actually, there's a zone here could use, so you could potentially use this zone here for buys. Do what you doing, bro? I'm live on YouTube. Yeah. hmm Yeah. So stops 25 points. I wanted to potentially more if we break those highs. Um, Sells NQ. This is the 30-minute low. Um, yeah, we break this low here. We should get a nice move into 487. Yep, potentially I want to full trade here. Um, yeah. So we're looking at here for NQ. Let's look at YM here now. So YM, as you can see, it's really like it's not bad as well. Um, yeah, we could use the 15 here. So price is currently at support, and yeah, closure beneath here. We could anticipate a move to the downside. I will say I could also wait for a break of this wick to the left there, right? So entries here is looking like this, right? So we're looking at 3 389, right? 389 for sales. Yo, mastermind, what's up, bruh? We're looking at 389 potentially for sales, right? 388, 389 for sales. If we break it, again, we're looking for the week up and then a break of the low, right? Potentially, we have a range here. It's a big range, 200 point range. So be mindful of that. This could be shorter on the 30 or on the 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, here it is. Yeah. So we could focus on this zone here instead, right? So this is at still a 1 to 5 potentially, right? Um, yeah, for buys, however, I'm not gonna take anything within the range. This candle will have to close rejecting the shit. You have to close rejecting it. So just like you have on the 30 here, right? If you close back in the range, then we reject these lows, right? So there's a high chance that it could continue up here on NAS. But for NQ, it's see, notice how the previous 15-minute candle closed on NQ. We already formed support. So if we break support here, then we're more or less coming down. But for YM, it's a little different here, right? So this candle didn't really reject any structure here. So that's the difference. Yeah, and that's it here for today. I don't know. For buys for YM, I don't know. I'm not really interested in buys here for YM. I mean, I could take it on the break of this bearish wick here, but then you have the high. Mm, highs could buys could be here actually, right? Just like what we have it on NQ, but I would need a very good closure here. This closure would have to be almost a doji for me to take this buys. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, guys, this is what we have here. This is what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at potentially today. Right? Yeah, we're trading on also. We're trading on with Lucy today. Trade C platform. Really nice. Trying to get used to it. It's not that hard though. It's really not that hard. Um, get go make huge leap over the weekend, but unfortunately I missed it. You ain't missed nothing, dude. You ain't miss nothing, hyper. You ain't miss nothing. Nothing was missed there. You ain't miss nothing there, man. Yeah, gold is gold is gone here, huh? Shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna be looking at gold here though. God, thank you. We need to remember, so this current candle needs to close below here. We want it to close there. If it closes bullish, it's still a good entry. The entry could be at the break of the current candle low. If this closes like doji wick bullish, like how it is now, we could get this entry here as well. Um, that would be an extra 15 points to save in there, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna close like that. Let's wait on it. Let's wait on it. We have our level set. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. YM4 and Q will be showed in one micro. One mini, sorry. Let me just change this shit and Q on. Gold is fucking gone. Gold is freaking dropping like a ton of bricks right now.
Yeah, let's see. It's gonna be market open after war, so they,
Yeah, first market open after the war would be very interesting here though. It would be
yeah, we'll see a lot
very
of good falls. We'll
yeah.
see a lot of rejections.
And I think that's why kinda today is a bit of a patient day for me, but Mondays be so crazy too.
Blink of an eye.
Yeah, blink of an eye moves. Yep, Monday be that type of shit.
What the hell happened?
Yeah, so I'm just making sure I set my take profit and stuff. So as soon as I enter a trade, I'm good. All right, guys, 1 minute here. Yeah, so see, like we have lows here getting rejected. So it's really sketchy today, man. It's a really sketchy day. It's a really sketchy day. Mm, yeah, yeah. And Q look like the play here. YM has it as well, but I'll NQ, I'll enter YM after, if anything. If it wicks down, ooh, uh, yeah, wow, 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 wow. Okay, I'm in here on wait, not on this one though, but wow, yep, 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 yep. Ooh, I got a loss here on YM. Okay, there is that. So yeah, on the brick here, I'm in on the brick here, I'm in on Nas cells on the brick. Yeah, I'm gonna wow. Yeah, I'm gonna leave I am alone. Okay, I'm entering on buys here. Ooh, my bad shit. Wrong shit. Man, I enter on buys here on NQ. I'm looking for stops to break even here on NQ. Looking at 15. Uh, yep. I'll trail in. I'm trailing 1 hour here on NQ. There we go, 15 for me. That's my 15 there. Yep. Dub here. Oh, wow, that's a yeah, close at 11. God damn. This shit. Man. Insane day, guys. Insane day, man. Insane day. Insane day. I'm chilling here still on the next account. I'm chilling at 800. Okay, I got stopped out. Yeah. Ah, good day. Good day today. Good day today. Good day today. Man, yeah, not bad. Not bad. The week done first. Like, yeah, not bad.
YM was kind of like
Yeah.
bust.
Why, yeah, YM could have been, come on, YM could have been way better than that for us here. But NQ give a proper play here. That's nice. That's really nice. Yep. Wait, what? I blew my US account. That's marked up on. Why did you blow your account already? I don't get that, but okay. Anyways, I'm just trying to pass this lucid accounts here. I got this one here. I think I lost one of them. I think I lost one of them. But yeah. Um 15 on this one and 11 on this one. So hopefully I can pass them tomorrow. Alright. So yeah. Please remember to drop a like on the video, especially if you made some money today. Drop a like, drop a like. Really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Yeah, that's day one for NQ giving that fucking move. You know, it gives it like twice, 3 times for the week. So today's one.
Yeah.
We have to remember that today's one. No bullshit. Like NQ did no bullshit in there. Actually waited for me to. I made a mistake and entered on this one. So yeah. Um, positions, close positions. There you go. All right. So yeah, 14 shit. Should I put a TP like just hit that shit? All right. So for those still interested in taking a trade here, the 5 minute candle is about to close, and this shit may be going for the gap here. So you have an opportunity. Wait for a wick down, possibly take a 1 to 1. This shit moved a whole lot. Like this is 170 points already. So wick down, look at that. There's your wick down. Break up the high, in. Easy stuff. Break up the high, in. Easy stuff. Maybe I mean YM is looking good, but is looking good for it. But Yeah, probably don't want to do that. Yeah, break up the highs over here though, to the left for a while. That might be better for a while. I think that's gonna be better for a while, here. Yeah, see? Yeah, break up the highs to the left there. You're in the street. They should be, yeah, that should be you there. Hmm. There it is. There it is. That's one to one there already for a while. Um, yeah, one to one there already for a while. If you entered on Nas, you're not one to one yet, but well, so we got one to one here. Stops came back. Price came back to entry there. Let's see if he's gonna continue pushing here. Ah, there we go. Look at that. There you go. There you go. One to one here on Nas, one to one here on YM. YM still pushing. No, they're both gonna push. They're targeting these highs up here. One to two on YM. There you go. There is your one to two on YM there. Alright, one to three, one YM. Alright, so that's it there. Keep it simple, guys. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. And we can achieve a lot. Yeah? Just keep it simple. Well, I'll call it here, guys. See you all tomorrow. This week should be a very interesting week, by the way. Like, let me check. Do we have? Okay, so by the way, there's news on at the top of the hour as well too. So you had three opportunities here to get winning trades. Hope you took them. Hope you took them because news is coming up in 22 minutes. Yeah, so we have unemployment is all we really have this week in terms of news. Unemployment, NFP, all we really have on Friday. Thursday we have like little unemployment claims. That's nothing. But yeah, no big news this week. No big news this week. No big news this week. So should be a nice week. Should be a nice week. The war will gives us our momentum we want. Yeah, unfortunately, but yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.